So today is day one. I should maybe take it day two. I brought the truck in yesterday. So today's gonna be day one of kind of disassembling the front end and trying to get the fenders off. I'm eventually gonna pull that motor out and just give it a good cleaning, take the heads off, get some new springs and some valve lifters in there. And I just do a good once over on that spot right there. Going to clean the engine up and give her a good paint job and make it look nice inside there. It runs, don't get me wrong. I'm just doing some cleanup here. I'm going to check my my valve compressions and everything on there. So I have them once, but the rest of it is going to be with some oil inside there and some better readings, I think. The inside's kind of trashed inside there. You'll see I've got a head start pulling the seats and everything out of there. Here's the rest of it. Tyler came out just a little while ago and helped me take the hood off. I'm going to try and get this sanded out here as soon as a dent right here. I'm going to try and take that out. I may have it, get the dent taken out and have it sandblasted, just that one item, and take it from there. Seats are right here. I've got the springs look pretty good. I think what I'm going to do is get me a two-tone blue seat, dark blue with a light blue vinyl. I think that'll turn out nice there. I'm going to get these tanks changed out to some round tanks. I think they're going to be 34 by 18. Should give me about almost 40 gallons of tank in each. I'm going to have those powder coated. Same color as the rims on the tires. So I'm going to get those pulled off here today and try my best to get rid of those tires soon.